In this video from FFX, we'll explain why you need a finishing nailer. A finishing nailer is a second fix tool, ideal when fitting door surrounds, skirting boards, etc. It fires either straight or angled 16 gauge nails. Unlike a pin nailer, a finishing nailer is the tool to choose when fixing thicker trims. It's also a great tool for cabinet making, as the nails it fires will hold the workpieces together, ready for the final screws. The tool will typically have two firing modes, sequential and bump. Sequential requires the trigger to be depressed and the nose pressed against the workpiece before the nail will fire. Bump mode allows you to press the trigger in and bump the nose against the workpiece. With each bump, a nail will fire, making this mode great for quickly fixing two pieces together. The nailer will allow you to accurately adjust the depth the nail is fired into the workpiece, ensuring a smooth finish. However, due to the size of the nails it fires, the hole will likely need to be filled before painting. Cordless powered finishing nailers are commonplace and popular. They require little maintenance and are more cost effective than gas nailers.